It's the talk of the town. Mother Nature's herbal cleansing tablets, the secret to a longer, healthier life.
2 days ago I started these herbs and I have lost 4 pounds within a matter of 2 days time.
So how you
and
know?
This is the honest God, it's the honest God's truth, I swear to God. I weighed, Tuesday they took my weight, I weighed 151 pounds. This morning at 9:30 I took my weight and I weighed 147 pounds. And I am proud to say I can tell anybody that this product is one of the greatest products that has ever been created.
But tell me, Miss Lady, you did this course already with us?
Yes, I did.
How long that was?
About 2 years, 2.5 years ago.
Oh, 2.5 years ago?
Yeah.
Wow, and what happened? You had
Well,
lost it.
when I did take the colon cleansers, what I noticed, I started to lose weight. Not just like that, with a proper diet, with eating the proper thing, eliminating all the meat and all the meat from my system, and more using the raw foods.
And you had lost the weight?
And I had lost the weight.
Oh my God, and all the little aches and pain disappear?
All the aches and pain disappear.
So now, after 2 years, let me see what you do. You came down to how much? What pound you came down?
I think it was something like 150.
150?
Yeah.
And look at you, so you put on back all the weight now after 2 years. Oh, look at her now. Look at her now. You see? Turn around so let me see. Oh yes, boy, look at her. Now what I'm doing, I'm taking this picture now. Today is what? What is it today?
24th.
Today is the 24th of January, 2011. Right. So this is the lady here. Now you see her, you see, look, all this tummy now. Oh boy. You put it back all the sides, right? So now what you're going to do, you're going to be losing over a pound a day, and I want to show people how this thing works. Because we had it before when you lose the weight and you say, oh God, one of the, you give us a testimony, you say, so help me God, I am not lying. In 2 days time it will lose
4 pounds.
4 pounds. So now you're going to do the same thing you're starting today, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to show people before and after. Right?
Went in the toilet, a bad feeling and I fall down.
Wow.
And whatever it have vomited.
So who tell you about this? Talk hard now?
No, well, I mean to say, I accustomed seeing it over the TV. Yeah, I see you interviewing people over the TV.
And now you didn't know you had been getting interviewed too. So how you feeling now?
Well, I'm feeling much better after 1 year.
You say something had fallen you too?
Well, I exercise machine. I had in the toilet.
Right.
And, well, you know, I sit down on the toilet seat and the next thing I know I was on the ground and the machine on top of me.
Oh, wow, right. So now it's 6 days now since you be on the herbs?
Yes. No, well, let me see. For Monday.
Monday, and today is Thursday.
Well, yeah, today.
So you don't wait until they finish, you come back to get more?
Well, the lady inside tell me that.
Oh, you like it then?
Yeah, well, I mean to say if it's something for your body, you have to take it.
Right. Thanks again very much. Because
if it's something for your body, you must take it.
And you're feeling nice?
I am feeling much better.
Right.
And for the past, let me see, about a week I ain't sleep. And last night I had a nice rest.
You're sleeping better now?
Yeah.
Oh, you couldn't sleep before?
No.
Wow.
I couldn't sleep before at all.
And last night you sleep for the first time?
Yeah.
Good. My goodness. How you went on? How much weeks now you on these herbs?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. And how you feel?
I feel great.
You feeling good?
Yeah.
How much pounds you lost?
16 pounds.
16 pounds. You see what I mean? In 2 weeks time? So this is your 3rd week ready?
Yes.
Oh, you see what I mean?
This last 2 weeks.
So Anna, tell me something. Who tell you about us really?
Well, my dad, because of a skin problem that I'm having. So he said, after trying everything else, he said we should come here and try it. And it's really helping because it's lightening up.
And how the skin problem, how you find it looking now?
Well, it's clearing up.
Yeah, because I see all your face looking glowy and nice.
Yes.
So you have 3 more weeks to go now?
Yeah.
And you're going to 3 more weeks?
Yes. body must get to clear up and I have to.
It must clear up because it starts clearing up, because it starts shining, it starts glossing already. So I want you see you're a young person, I want a lot of young people out there to know. They don't have to wait until they reach a certain age to be well. Be well from now so they could go a long distance. That's it?
Yes.
So you're feeling good?
Yes.
You're telling your friend?
Yes, I am.
Tell
Everybody.
bring them here.
They have ears, you know, how much pounds I lose.
Yeah. Let me see, look at you. Look at you, see? You see, no see? No see? Look at this lady now. She really loses weight. She really loses the weight. So Anna, I'm glad for you, girl, and keep on keeping on. Enjoy your life, live long, keep a clean thought. Most important, have a clean thought.
As young people, we are taught to believe that diseases cannot be cured, that cancer has no cure. We are taught to believe that diabetes has no cure. We are taught to believe that bad circulation has no cure. We are taught to believe that fibroids has no cure. We are taught to believe that arthritis has no cure. As a matter of fact, we are taught to believe that no diseases can be healed and that they can only be controlled. That is the biggest lie that has been ever told to man. Remember, people, all diseases can be healed. Come to Mother Nature's now and get well. In Port of Spain, corner Park and St. Vincent Streets, phone 623-3300, or St. James Street, opposite Carlton Center in San Fernando, phone 653-5719.
So when you come here, you couldn't walk?
I couldn't walk.
You couldn't walk coming here?
I couldn't walk.
And how long you went for?
Well, this was 6 weeks.
This is 6 weeks now?
Yes.
The last week?
Yes.
So you're walking now?
Walking now, and I lost, so far, I lost 21 pounds.
21 pounds?
Yes.
My goodness.
So I'm feeling great.
Hey, I'm feeling great too.
So this is my 6th week now.
This is
so
last week.
Hopefully lost a little more pound. And
That's right, that's
pounds,
right.
and that's really good.
And the arthritis?
And the arthritis, right now I'm getting no pain.
No pain.
No pain.
So where you had the arthritis already?
Well, I have rheumatoid arthritis. That's
Was all over?
from in your blood.
That's right. That's
Yeah,
right.
so it was affecting my limbs, and I was just limping all the time. So I came in here and I made the sacrifice. Yes, and it worked. So this is my 6th week ago.
The 6th is the last week.
Yes.
Tell me now, what brings you to Mother Nature?
Well, good morning. My mom heard about Mother Nature. She heard that it's wonderful.